Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, Danny Piraman. Troop S1, Christian Lawrence Gadon. Troop S2, Renz John Nabong. Troop S3, Harvey Peñola. Troop S4, Lionel Solano. Majorette Leader, Elisa Lane Delfino. DXMC Leader, Jake Absede. MAPE Company Commander, Aldrin Laureta. MAPE Company XO, John Kevin Balatukan. First Platoon Leader Boys, Fred Yancy Mancera. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Richa May Rimando. School Head, Ronald Enciso. MAPE Unit Facilitator, Richard Guadalupe. Assistant MAPE Facilitator, Marlene Villarama. Majorettes Coordinator, Jose Bombasas Jr. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Jogri Aguilar. Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Madam Marimen N. Sagala, Principal 1, Santa Justina National High School, Buhi, Camarines Sur.
Next entry, entry number 35, Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander, J. Lord Lumbis. Troop S1, John Vincent Aliasor. Troop S2, John Denver Albaniel. Troop S3, Jessa Ribuya. Troop S4, Daryl San Juan. Majorette Leader, Hyacinth Lay Baranda. DXMC Leader, Nicole Shane Perez. CTB Company Commander, John Carlos Santo Domingo. CTB Company XO, Jason Kenji Carion. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Aaron James Lumanok. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Shanrayan Zamudio. Principal, Lourdes Nopre. CTB MAPE Facilitator, Beverly Salvadora. Majorettes Coordinator, Aldrin Del Rosario. DLC Coordinator, Sheena Elcano. Entry number 35, Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 35, Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 36, Bicol Central Academy, Libud Uno, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff. Troop Commander, John Robert Crispino. Troop S1 Personnel Officer, Jemar Tapalya. Troop S2 Intelligence Officer, Timothy Moratalia. Troop S3, Princess Maria Lane Ricio. Troop S4, Sian M.S. Rafael Bambilia. Major Leader, Shane Justine Pisigan. DXMC Leader, John Joshua Hoben. MAPE Company Commander, John Russell Moscoso. MAPE Company XO, Nathaniel Nolias. First Platoon Leader, Boys, John Jobert Januario. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Bernice Melina Salvio. School Head, Alexander James D. Haushan. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Sandy Nosedal. Majors Coordinator, Kevin Lompero. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Jennifer Fabricante. Mark Oronin David, Major Trainer, Raymark de la Cruz, DLC Trainer. 10th, Howell Santelices, Assistant Commandant. Entry number 36, Bicol Central Academy, Lipmanan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 36, Bicol Central Academy, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, Daniel Abestro, Troop Commander. May B. Paraan, Troop S1, Cholo C, Troop S2. David Bon, Troop S3. Troop S4, Jason Barlizo. Major Leader, Catherine Serrado. DXMC Leader, Lim Hart P. San Juan. MAPE Company Commander, Jason Ray Mustar. MAPE Company XO, Zay Barlizo. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Manny Barlizo. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Hanakim Betchaida. School Head, Salvi Bombon. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Alan M. Villa. Majors Coordinator, Sheila Paular. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Jepoy Floriano. Sheila Marie Moico, MAPE Coordinator. Edgardo Priela, MAPE Trainer. Jeffrey Bordareas, Major Trainer. Mark David Bigeha, DLC Trainer. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 38, Dalupaon National High School, Dalupaon, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff, Micaela Barameda, Troop Commander. Junjun Escalona, Troop S1. Arzel Kium, Troop S2. Renz Charlie Dino, Troop S3. Justin Misolas, Troop S4. Major Leader, Scarlett Nicole Hona. DXMC Leader, Zaijan Briggs Hona. MAPE Company Commander, Frank Bunyon. MAPE Company XO, Angelbert Istaria. First Platoon Leader, Boys, John Kennedy Dinla. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Ilaika Barameda. School Head, Bayani Belga. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Ramon Bergantin. Majors Coordinator, Maria Gracia Kium. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Rojard Borja. Nino Hamin Azanyes, Assistant MAPE Facilitator. Franzem Marie Kium, Assistant Major Coordinator. Rosami Liberato, Assistant DXMC DLC Coordinator. N3, number 38, Dalupaon National High School, Dalupaon, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 38, Dalupaon National High School, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 39, Santa Justina National High School, Santa Justina, Buhi, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff: Buakenya John Mer, Troop Commander; Nicanor Nialega, Troop S1; John Kian Ilarde, Troop S2; Aldwin Roy Reyes, Troop S3; Jundel Sahorda, Troop S4; Major Clearer Iris Nicole Monte; DXMC Leader Dikilia Lehi; Mapi Company Commander Sunny Batalier; Mapi Company XO Jeric Vesorio; First Platoon Leader Boys Randel Ibanita; Second Platoon Leader Girls Jasmine Magallanes; Schoolhead Marimin Sagala; CTP Mapping Facilitator Leia Princess Salazar; Jobel Ponciano; Mark Jobel Villamayor; Majors Coordinator Christine May Mora; Eloisa D. Villar; Annabel San Juan; DXMC DLC Coordinator Edmond Ray Navarro; Ramises Obenya and Mary Ann Abinal; Lynn Francia Trinidad. Entry number 39, Santa Justina National High School, Santa Justina, Buhi, Camarines Sur.